Okay, welcome back guys to Game the YouTube channel. So as you can see right now, I have the Motorica Studio. This is the plugin from Motorica. So the plugin is quite good, even though this is still beta version, but you get some help from this plugin because this one giving you the easiness of creating animation right inside your Unreal Engine. So let's go to download the plugin. To download, you just go here and you will be redirected to the GitHub page. So right here you have the option. The newest version is 0.2, so there is 0.2 for Unreal Engine 5.0, 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. So because I want to use in Unreal 5.3, I have downloaded this one, and as you can see I already have here. So I will just extract this one, extracted. There you go, waiting. So by the way, if you want to use this plugin, you have to create account with Motorica. Don't forget to go to the Motorica and create account. It is free, it is in beta version, you don't have to pay anything. So just go to Motorica. I think we have in here. So where is it, by the way? Yeah, right here. So go to Motorica, then as you can see, this is the official website page. There is beta option, click here, you can register. Okay, so and then you can click in here to try the Motorica Studio for your Unreal Engine. So let's try this and let's follow the instruction around here. Everything is simple, it's like usual. You just have to extract, and then you have to just put it into a plugin folder on your project directory, and then after that yes, you have to build the project. Yes, but usually it will be normally running from your U project right here, Unreal Engine project. Just double click and run. But if you have like external plugin, yes, you have to, I mean your own plugin, right? You have to build from your Visual Studio. Plugin first, I have here, this is the plugin. So I will just copy. I have project here, Unreal project. So where is it? I think I have in Slum project. Yes, this one. Okay, so I will create a new folder, plugins, and I will put in here, paste there you go, done. So we done with this Motorica. We have to restart this one, so just save everything, don't forget to save all, and then exit the project, reopen again the project, double click in here, Motorica. As you can see, this we have this one. Okay, after that, after we reopen again the project, we need to go to the to edit. Let's go to edit, and then after that project setting, and then after project setting we go to plugin. Let's go to plugin. So inside plugin we have to find Motorica. Where is Motorica Studio? There you go. So inside Motorica Studio we need to configure some of the following right here. So we need to figuring out this one first. Where is it, by the way? Yeah, this one. So IP location, email, enter your email used to when register Motorica, and then password, and then blah 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 and blah 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 and so on. So let's go to that one. So API, it has to be HTTP. I think you just copy, put it here, bam, and then the email that I use is this one, and then password, close it, and then after that go to this one to verify. So let's see, logging in. As you can see, the login is successful, and after we log in successful, so you just need to add character. Okay, right here we have the character ready. So after you success add character into the scene preview in here, you can click right here to go back to your level map, and let's go back to our preview mode. There you go, this is our character. I think I will make a zigzag move. There you go, I think that's good. So just go to style browser in here. I would like to use the soldier in here, and I would like to use the injure one. You can set manually your seed right here, hit random. So I will just put it automatically, and then just start generating the animation. Okay, as you can see right now we have the animation. Let's check by playing the animation. See, there you go. Okay, so after you finish generating your animation, let's save the animation. I will just save in here and create folder right here. Save name injured anim. Save it. So if we go back here, and then let's go to folder, and yep, we have the animation in here. Okay, so that's it for now. Have a great one. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.